Milwaukee M18 FUEL half-inch drill. Driver kit ultimate power tool review. When professional grade performance meets daily durability, you get the Milwaukee M18 FUEL half-inch drill driver kit. This isn't just another power tool. It's a game changer for contractors, serious DIYers, and anyone who demands uncompromising performance from their tools. Today, we're putting this powerhouse through its paces to see if it lives up to the Milwaukee reputation. First impressions and build quality, right out of the case. The M18 FUEL impresses with its professional build quality. The rubber overmold grips feel substantial in your hands, providing both comfort and security during extended use. At just 6.9 inches in length, it's remarkably compact for the power it delivers. A crucial factor when you're working in tight spaces all day. The redesigned chuck immediately stands out as a major improvement over previous models. Milwaukee has clearly listened to user feedback, as the positive review mentioned, addressing the bit slippage issues that plagued earlier versions. The metal chuck has a satisfyingly precise action that grips bits with authority. Power and performance. Milwaukee claims this is the most powerful compact drill in its class. And after testing, we're inclined to agree. The brushless motor delivers astonishing torque that powers through dense materials without hesitation. We tested it on everything from soft pine to hardened steel, and it never bogged down. The 2-speed transmission provides optimal control. Low gear, 0 to 550 RPM, delivers maximum torque for heavy-duty drilling. High gear, 0 to 800 RPM, handles fast drilling and driving applications. What really sets this apart is how it maintains speed under load. When drilling through tough materials, cheaper drills will slow down significantly. But the M18 FUEL maintains remarkable consistency thanks to its advanced electronics and brushless motor design. Ergonomics and daily use. At this point in the review, you're probably wondering if this drill is right for your specific needs. For current pricing and package deals, check the link in the description below, where you might find special offers on this kit. The compact design makes a noticeable difference in real-world use. We used it for everything from overhead drilling to tight cabinet installations, and the reduced length, combined with the balanced weight distribution, significantly decreases user fatigue. The LED light placement is particularly thoughtful, positioned to actually illuminate your work area without creating shadows from the drill body. Battery life is exceptional with the included M18 red lithium batteries. Even during heavy continuous use, we consistently got full work days from a single charge. The fuel gauge on the batteries is a small but invaluable feature when planning your work. Comparing to the competition, when stacked against similar pro-grade drills like the DeWalt DCD91 or Makita XPH14Z, the Milwaukee M18 FUEL stands out in several key areas. The chuck mechanism is superior to both competitors, with more positive bit retention as noted in the positive review. While the DeWalt offers similar power specs on paper, in real-world testing, the Milwaukee maintains higher speed under load. The Makita, while excellent, can't match the Milwaukee's combination of compact size and raw power. Potential drawbacks and solutions. No tool is perfect, and we did identify a few considerations. The premium performance comes with premium pricing. This isn't the cheapest option on the market, but for professionals who rely on their tools daily, the investment pays off in productivity and durability. The compact size means less surface area for heat dissipation during extended heavy use. Solution. When doing marathon drilling sessions, take brief pauses to let the motor cool. The aggressive power can be overwhelming for first-time users. Solution. Start with the electronic clutch on lower settings until you get a feel for the tool's capabilities. Who should buy this? As we're about 75% through this review, you might be asking if this is the right drill for your needs. To see how other professionals are using this tool in real job site conditions, check the verified buyer reviews at the link in the description below. This drill is ideal for professional contractors who need reliable daily performance, serious DIYers tackling major home projects, woodworkers and metal fabricators requiring precision and power, anyone tired of replacing underpowered drills every few years. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL half-inch drill driver kit sets a new standard for what a compact drill can achieve. It delivers professional-grade power in a remarkably small package, with thoughtful ergonomics that make all-day use surprisingly comfortable. While the price point positions this as a premium tool, the performance and durability justify the investment for anyone who depends on their tools. The improved chuck alone solves one of the most common complaints about previous models, making this a genuinely refined professional tool. If you're ready to experience true professional drilling performance, don't settle for less. Click the link in the description now to check current availability and pricing for the Milwaukee M18 FUEL drill driver kit. This is one of those tools that will make you wonder how you ever worked without it.